Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on the application of Threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Threads and you will click here. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.